Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute group of characters. First, we're going to start with our unicorn. We're going to take our first toilet paper tube and wrap it in this white paper. Once that's covered, we're going to take our little piece of gold paper and cut out the horn. I rounded the tip of my horn just to make it a little bit cuter. And once you're done cutting that out, you'll glue that to the top of the tube. Once that's done, we'll take our white piece of paper and cut out the ears. I used this shape to help me figure out what I was cutting out, so I drew it out beforehand, but you can freehand it too. Once that's done, you'll cut smaller triangles out of the pink paper and glue them into the middle. Just like that. Then we'll add them to the top of the head right next to the horn. Next, I'm adding some sticker eyes that were in the pack. You can choose to draw on your face if you'd like to, but I thought these eyes were super cute. Once those are stuck on, I decided to draw on some blush with a marker I found at my house. And then I added a nose and mouth with a pen. Now it's time to start on the hair and tail and all the fun. So first I'm taking one of my strips of each color and cutting two shorter pieces off of it, leaving another half long. I'm going to do that with one of every color. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take all of my long pieces that I didn't cut, put them next to each other, and fold them in half as a group. This is going to be my tail, so I'm trying to get the colors to mix a little bit so you get the full rainbow effect. Next, I'll glue that to the back of the unicorn, and I'm covering up where it connects with two gems. Now that that's all done, it's time to start on the hair. I'm going to start with my long pieces that I cut, arrange them in a rainbow, and glue them to the back of the head. Now I'm sticking on my bangs. I did this at random. I tried not to put two colors next to each other, and I felt like my unicorn needed a little sprucing up, so I took a marker and I curled all of the pieces around it, just like you would curling your hair, to make this super cute curly mane. And there's my unicorn. Now I'm starting on the princess. First, I'm going to take my tan piece of paper and wrap that around to be our princess's face. Next, I'm gonna do the dress. And I did want to leave a little bit of space so I could do this and cut off little strips up to where it meets the toilet paper tube. You'll see why we do this in a second. We're gonna pull all of those out, and then from there we have the skirt of our dress. It's kind of a mermaid style dress. Now from there, I'm going to cut the shorter piece of hair color into my bangs and glue that across her forehead. Now I decided to make my hair a little wavy, so I cut a wavy shape so it laid pretty on her back. But you can do many different things with the hair. You could cut it into strips and curl it like I did the unicorn. You could do so many things. This is just what I chose to do. Next, I took my other gold piece of paper and I cut the crown out. I just drew out the shape so I knew what I was cutting and glued that on top of her forehead. Last but not least, I drew on her face with a cute pen, and I felt like her dress needed a little bit more sparkle. So I took my pink marker again and I drew on kind of a fun new shape. I made her a pretty neckline and I added a whole bunch of little dots to be the sparkles on her dress. And there you have it. There is our princess and our unicorn. Now we just have to create the dragon. So with our last toilet paper tube, we'll wrap that with the green paper. Once that's done, we're going to take our pieces of streamer and glue them around the inside of the toilet paper tube. Now that those are on, I'm going to cut them into strips so that way when you blow through it to make the dragon breathe fire, all of the strips fly in a fun way and really look like flames. Just like that. Now I'm going to take my two smaller pom-poms and stick them right at the base where I just had my flames, and then the two bigger pom-poms I'm going to stick at the back of the head to be where the eyes go. Now I'm sticking down my sticker eyes, and I felt like my dragon looked too nice, so I took a marker and I gave him angry eyebrows, just to make him more of a villain. Then I decided to add a couple spots on his nose, maybe some freckles, just to give him a little bit more fun. And there you have it. Now if you blow through the top of his head, it looks like he's breathing fire. And there are all of our fun characters, our unicorn, our princess, and our dragon. Thanks for creating with me today.